Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to add a touch of color to our 2015 Ram for a custom look. Right now, our 2015 Ram is pretty stock and boring looking, so today we're going to give it some color and personality with these MGP red brake caliper covers. These are MGP's red Hemi brake caliper covers for the front and rear of your 2011 to 18 Ram. They're made of high quality 6061 aluminum with your choice of red or black powder coat finish and a Silver Hemi logo. They're designed to easily install onto your calipers for a custom look and reduce brake dust buildup on your wheels. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, the first thing you want to do for this install is get your truck off the ground and remove your wheels. Okay, now you're going to grab the caliper cover for your front calipers. This is the one with the studs already on the cover. Place it against the caliper, and then slide your clips onto the caliper bracket and the cover. Now we can install the clip on the bottom, and you want to make sure that you're pushing the cover against the caliper this whole time so you can have maximum clearance for your wheels. Install your nuts, then tighten them with a 3/8 socket. Tighten the bottom nut. Use the provided feeler gauge to make sure there's clearance between the clip and the rotor. If there is no clearance, you will need to slightly bend the clip to make it clear. Ours is looking pretty good, so now we can repeat the process on the other side, then move on to the rear. For the rear caliper covers, the first thing you're going to do is install the studded clips onto the caliper bracket. Install the cover onto the studs. Make sure it's flush up against the caliper. And install your nuts. Tighten them down with your 3/8 socket. Now we can check our clearances just like we did on the front. Now we're going to check our clearances just like we did on the front. Everything's looking good. We can repeat the same process for the other side, and we're done. Okay, we got our Hemi caliper covers installed on our 2015 Ram, and they definitely do add some character to these stock looking wheels. They do make the truck look a whole lot better. Installing them couldn't be any simpler. It only takes you about 15 minutes to do the whole truck, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.